Hi parents, and welcome to Open House for Skills 6 Success. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Buchanan. Let me just start the presentation. All right, so a little bit about me. I got my bachelor's degree from Southeast Missouri State University. If you go to the end of the state of Illinois, hop over the river and go to Cape Girardeau, Missouri. That's where the school is located. It's also where I met my husband. I then went to school at Indiana University and got my master's in science and kinesiology. And then I got a second master's degree at North Park University on the north side of Chicago here. You can see my picture, graduation picture on the lower corner. I am a mother of myself. I have a third grader or a second grader and a 3-year-old. And this is my first year teaching at Lyons Township. I did my student teaching last year. But this is my first year teaching Skills for Success. Some school activities that I'm involved in. This is my 4th year being an employee at Lyons Township. I am a 3-season athletic trainer. What that means is I help the athletes after school doing sports medicine. I do prevention, treatment, evaluation, and rehabilitation of athletic injuries. And I'm also a co-sponsor for the Athletic Training Club. So if your students are interested in sports medicine, they can be part of the club. Unfortunately, this year, I don't think we're going to be doing very much. And I have been known to be a wrestling scorer in the past. You can see me here with my coworkers. There are 2 other head athletic trainers as well. A little bit more about me. So this is a career change for me. I've been an athletic trainer for 17 years. I worked at various schools, including Loyola University. I was their athletic trainer for the women's softball and women's volleyball teams, traveling around with them for 5 years. My claim to fame is I know Sister Jean. She's now a national celebrity, but she is the chaplain for the men's basketball team, and she became a national celebrity after they made their bid to the Final Four back in 2018. She's a wonderful person and celebrated her 101st birthday this year. So what is this class? So the whole point of this class is to help students with their academics. Okay, so we focus on organization, we focus on planning, goal setting, study techniques, and self-reflection. We also do some stress reduction and mindfulness. I take a lot of time, like on Mondays, we do a little bit of meditation. I check in with each and every student. Anything that they need, I am available for them to help out with. Most recently, we sent emails to teachers, just letting them know that they're involved in this class, that sometimes our students need a little bit more assistance with organization or with study techniques, and that the teacher also knows they can contact me if someone's having some issues, and we can hopefully help that student right away instead of as things get progressed down the line and they for success. That is what we're looking for. At the end of each week, I do have them fill out this mood meter. So I'm interested, how are they mentally feeling? It's just a good way for us to have a check-in. Some students, as things kind of get overwhelming, they get bogged down with things, they're not doing well. So this is just a quick way that they can tell me, hey, I'm doing okay, or I need some help. Because sometimes our students are not great about asking for help. And so this is just an easy way to check in. The other thing that we're dealing with is obviously the remote learning. So we go over tips of how to be a better student in this realm. I'm also here to help out with technology issues. I'm learning as we go along, but I have a bit of a knowledge on technology and can help students, filling out assignments, making sure that they have their Google Drives connected and that kind of thing. So we've been doing some of those activities as well in class. So how will your student be graded? So generally, we're looking for a consistent effort throughout class. They do have a weekly planning guide that they fill out on Mondays. This is essentially that they're supposed to look at their Canvas pages for the rest of their classes, find out what assignments need to be done, and they write this all in, send it to me, and they get points for that. The end of the week check-in is just so that I know how they're doing. That's that mood meter. And then we also have various activities throughout the week that we'll be having them do. such as the teacher emails. It's going to be organizing their Google Drive, those type of activities to keep them organized, even in this technological world. So information can be found on my Canvas page. So all assignments are on there, resources and Zoom links. If you would like to be an observer, you can use your student login information and then create an observer account. And then if you have any questions or concerns, or if there are issues that arise, please feel free to contact me from my email address. So it's abuchanan@lths.net. I am here to help. I want these kids to succeed as much as any parent. I know what it's like to have a child myself, and I'm essentially their school mom. So if you need anything, please feel free to email me. Give me at least 24 hours before getting back to you, because sometimes I have some other things going on, but I will try and get back to you as quick as I can. All right, I'm excited for this year, and I hope you are too. Thanks.